Hello, everyone. This is Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So, once again, we are here with you all to discuss the success story of one more achiever of ours. And this time, we have with us Mr. Bimal Kumar Sinha, who did his BSc in 1996 and also holds a master degree in human resource management. He is from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, and is currently working as Associated General Manager HR with JMC Projects. His overall work experience is of 21 years in HR and administration department, mainly abroad like in Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Germany, and Africa. He likes sports and is also a member of Shotokan Karate Do Federation of India, have also received a black belt. Apart from this, he has won various prizes in district and state level competition and was also a national champion in the year 1996. But before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, Varsa. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, sir. So before we actually start the question and answer segment, I'm very keen to know that how did you actually land up to the idea of choosing this particular profession for yourself?
Well, first of all, thank you very much, Varsha, for giving me an opportunity to come online. And I'm very much proud also that you and the IF team has been selected me for the Excellence of Man of Excellence Award. Thank you. Actually, I'm HR professional. I'm HR professional because of my family backgrounds. We belongs to Jharkhand Hazaribagh, where the people gathering, the people they do the social charity, social welfare to the societies. And from the childhood, I have seen that my father, my mother, they are doing the social activities. They are helping to the people. They are helping to the societies. So that idea came into my mind. And then after my graduation, I thought, let me do the MBA in HR. And after doing the MBA in HR, I have selected as a professional officer. And from that journey, I started from 2000 onwards. So I become HR professional.
Right, sir. So, life is not a bed of roses for any one of us. So, I'm sure that you must have also faced certain sort of challenges in your professional journey. So, if you
Yes.
can please talk about those challenges that you have to face so far.
Well, Varsha, being a HR professional, the challenge is what I have faced, to attract top talent, then developing leadership, fostering a culture of continued learning, and then managing diversity, mentoring health and safety. The last year, from last 1 year, entire world is facing COVID-19, the corona pandemics. So it is very big challenge for us to to keep entire societies, entire all employees healthy. And then we have the creating the quality employees experience and expertise. That is the tough challenges as being as a HR professional.
Right, sir. So, now talking about the future, what further plans are you having for yourself in the upcoming years? If you can please share a bit about those, please.
Well, Varsa, look, I have planned to be open my organizations where the organization will have, the lot of opportunities for the newcomers, new peoples to get the employment. And further, we will be, expanding for the management program where we will organize the training for the societies.
So now moving ahead, I'm very keen to know that what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award for yourself? As in, how did you actually celebrated the news when you got the information that you have won the award for yourself?
See, I feel extremely proud and happy that I have been awarded as a man of excellence by one of the reputed firm, Indian Achievers Forum, Delhi. This award will definitely will improve my careers, and it will go further boost up for my careers.
Right, sir. And I once again congratulate you on the achievement of yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Varsha.
All right, sir. So now, as we have discussed a bit about your professional role, if you can please tell us about the social contribution too that you are giving to the society.
See, Varsha, I have already mentioned to you, I am member of Sotokan Karate Federation of India, as well as I am the member of, Arvindo Society Clubs Rachi, which is registered in the Pondicherry. I used to be, volunteer for the homeless, the homeless shelter or food bank for the societies. And during the COVID-19, we have arranged a blood bank. We arrange the food for the needy people. So these are the charities. Being as a professionals, I am doing it.
Right, sir. So last but surely not the least, what message you would like to give to our younger generation to become successful in their careers?
Say, look, I am very much positive. I am the person who is very much positive and energetic. I would like to give the message to the young generation: be always positive and energetic. Do sincere hard work, then you will get definitely the result. If opportunity does not knock the door, build your door in the positive way. We should not get the disappointed by our failure. We should keep trying. That is the message for the young generation.
Very rightly said, sir. So, thank you so very much for joining with us today. It was pleasure talking to you, and I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors, and may you continue to inspire us all the way you are doing. Thank you so very much for being with us today.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you very much.